Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be introducing file storage services. So file storage services are similar to databases. These are just Inhouz Cloud's native integrations with cloud storage services like AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage. All right, to get to the file storage service module, all you need to do is just click on file storage services. I currently have an S3 sandbox that we're going to use for testing in future videos. But if we just opened up, if we clicked on the create file storage service, you can see that we do integrate natively with AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage. These are the three biggest players in file storage. So the whole point of having a file storage service is to use it within the Inhouz Cloud platform. So there are a few ways in which file storage services are used. One, they are used in web applications to upload files directly from your web applications to your file storage service. Secondly, they are used in in-house sign. So if you wanted your contracts to live in your own storage, all you would need to do is connect your documents to your file storage service or your templates, and every single document created or every single document created from the template or every single document created and attached to a file storage service will be stored in your file storage service. Also, with in-house payments, you can basically connect in the bill pay module. You can connect a file storage service where you can upload receipts and maybe quotes or whatever supporting documents you need for payments can be uploaded to your file storage service. And finally, we do have file storage service functions where you can basically upload files and download files from your file storage services using in-house functions. We're going to go through every single one of these scenarios in upcoming videos. I just wanted to just give you a quick highlight. So to gain access to the file storage service, an individual will have to have the required permissions. Clicked on the wrong place here. So there are, three permissions: read file storage service, write file storage service, and delete file storage service. So this is just, for gaining access to the file storage service module. But when it comes to using the file storage services within your applications, the Inhouz Cloud will securely carry out whatever transactions need to be carried out based on what you're trying to do that has been already pre-configured in Inhouz Cloud platform. So simply put, file storage services are just the native integrations between Inhouz Cloud and AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, Azure Blob Storage, and over time there will be more integrations. And file storage services, as we will see in upcoming videos, can be used to upload files directly from your applications with just a couple of clicks. They can be used for in-house sign to store all your documents and all the attachments that your signers upload. It can be used in in-house payments for uploading bill pay supporting documents. And it can be used within the in-house functions to automate whatever type of workflow you want to implement. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.